Hi, it's Tom from Black Swan, here again with my dog Spot. One of the growing trends among homeowners is upgrading the fireplace. This may interest you. Stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. It's Tom from Black Swan. Hi, it's Tom from Black Swan. Hi, it's Tom and Spot. We're back again. Who doesn't enjoy a nice roaring hot fire on an 80-degree day? No one. So we're here to tell you how this can happen in your house. One of the big things we do here at Black Swan is what we affectionately call a rip and remove, where we go into a house with an older fireplace, perhaps a builder grade that was installed in a track house or whatnot, or it's 20, 30 years old. We'll extract the fireplace, open the wall, get out the old, take out the old venting system, upgrade everything, bring it up to present day code, install something nice and new like this Heat and Glow 8000, and finish it off however you want. Surround like this, mantle, stone, barn beam. You can do pretty much what you can imagine. Hope this helps. Subscribe for more.